Alright, here's a short video about the major angle relationships we've seen in Chapter 2. This is not all of the vocab that's on our vocab sheet, but these are those main angle relationships. And so the first one we're looking at here is the supplementary relationship. We have this angle A here and this angle B here. And since that red angle and this blue angle are creating this straight line here on the bottom, we say that angle A and angle B are supplementary. Or another way of saying it would be that A plus B equals 180. And that's our supplementary relationship there, because they're forming a straight line. The other one is this complementary, and I should put the names on here. This is supplementary. Supplementary are the ones that add to 180. The next here are the complementary. These are the ones that add to 90 degrees, and we can tell those when we look at them. Angle A is a portion of this, angle B is the remaining portion of this, and they form this 90-degree angle we see. And since they form the 90, these two angles, A and B, are complementary. Okay? Another way to write it would be A plus B equals 90. Now the last one, this is where we see more of our angle relationships. When we have parallel lines cut by a transversal, we see different relationships here. The first one is going to be our corresponding angles. Corresponding angles are these angles that are in the same position that look like they either just moved up or down the transversal. Okay, you can see that we have this angle here, and it looks like it's the same as, and it is the same as this angle down here because they're in the same spot. Okay, and what we know, these are the corresponding ones. These are the corresponding, and corresponding are equal to each other. Okay, another angle relationship we see here when we have parallel lines cut by a transversal would be our same side interior. Okay, and same side interior, you have this angle here in green and this angle here. And we call them same side interior. They're on the same side of the transversal. In this case, they're both on the right side. You could have them both on the left side, but I'm choosing right. And you have one in this position, one down here. And what we say about same side interior are supplementary, or they add up to 180. Okay, the last one, and I'm going to clear my ink so we can see them, would be the alternate interior. An alternate interior I'll put in purple here. Alternate interior, we have purple here and purple here. They say alternate because one's on the left side, one's on the right side, and they say interior because they're both between the parallel lines. Okay, and the thing about alternate interior is that they are equal to each other. And those are the big ones here when we see, those are the three big ones that we covered when we see these parallel lines cut by a transversal. Again, this isn't all of the vocab. These are just those 3, 4, 5, whatever it is, 3, 5, 4, 5 big angle relationships that we've seen in Chapter 2. If any other confusion on any of the vocab, I'm happy to write you an answer or make another video.